Hi guys and welcome back to another interesting YouTube video क्योंकि लास्ट वीक के चैट जीपीटी वाले अपलोड को आप लोगों ने काफी ज्यादा लाइक और एंजॉय किया है. So we are here with part 2. You know the drill. I'll ask Mama 5 questions. She'll ask me 5 questions, and then we all will have a fun conversation. So on that note, let's begin watching, guys.
Hi everybody.
Mama, the first question for you is that if you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be? And you can tell why also if you want to.
I think you should live for yourself, Ignore.
That's true. Yeah.
Go by what your elders say. Might be थोड़े change of ideas हो.
Peace, I want to ask you, you didn't live for yourself earlier, like.
No, of course we did. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि we didn't. But now the times are different.
Yeah,
Exposure बच्चों को ज़्यादा है.
Yeah.
So I believe कि अपने लिए जियो, don't live fake.
हाँ,
And live for people who
Yeah.
matter to you.
who
are
truly add value to your life.
हाँ, who are genuinely yours.
Yeah.
In sukh dukh, everything, who are happy in your
don't stress you
exactly
out.
who are happy in your success, your progress, है ना. And अपने बड़ों की बात ठीक है, कभी कभी change of opinions हो सकते हैं, but I think your parents, your grandparents, your teachers, I think उनकी बात भी सुननी चाहिए. You know, you can always consider
just because आप बड़े हो रहे हो उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि you will know everything.
Yeah.
वो फिर भी आपसे बड़े
yeah, times have changed and
Yeah.
you're definitely you all might
Yeah.
be smarter in many
but
aspects.
wisdom is wisdom.
Yes.
Wisdom will come.
Yes, it matters.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
My turn to answer. Mama's turn to ask me a question.
Okay. Do you think overthinking can ruin opportunities?
Yes, I am the biggest overthinker because I feel when we're overthinking about a situation तो हम अपने आप को दो बार stress करते हैं. एक तो before that situation happens because when you will be in that situation तो आप stressed हो गई.
Obviously.
तो आप दो बार stress कर रहे हो before that happens, and if you have an overthinking mind like I do, you will think about things that are not even going to happen.
And even कुछ है या नहीं है, overthinking is your basic nature.
कुछ
लोगों का
मेरा तो है. And like mama also tells me a lot of times कि I am thinking about something that is not even going to happen, but मैं जरूर एनर्जी दे दूंगी उस प्रॉब्लम को.
There are people who look for solutions to the problem, but there are people who look for problems.
And those people are very like, if you have those people in your life, please stay away from them क्योंकि वो आपको चैन से जीने ही नहीं देंगे. Because every time you solve a problem, they will come up with another problem.
ये कैसे हो गया? अच्छा वो हो गया, तो अगर वो हो गया तो अब आगे का क्या सोचा है?
एक होता है कि आप well prepared हो और एक होता है कि आप convinced हो सिर्फ मुसीबत ही आएगी, कुछ अच्छा होगा ही नहीं.
Exactly.
For them the glass is always half empty.
Yes.
Right. Okay, your turn now. Okay, Mama, the next question for you is, how do you know it's time to let go of a person, a chapter or a dream in your life? Like अब लगता है कि बस खत्म. वो इंसान या वो चीज नहीं, उनका रोल आपके लाइफ में.
When that person
or that thing
over stresses,
that is true. That is true.
makes you over of everything, like overburdened, over stressed,
conscious about
you
yourself.
are very conscious. You know, you become anxious. दिमाग में उल्टी सीधी बातें आती है, एक बार दो बार बार. You know, if there's somebody who is like literally burdening you, कि कोई बात हो रही है, कोई टॉपिक डिस्कस हो रहा है, एवरी टाइम मैं ये सोचती हूँ, एक बार ये तक ठीक है, दो बार ये 10 बार ये, बट जब भी मैं कोई बात करती हूँ ये ऐसे क्यों बोलती है? फिर यू नो यू थिंक उसने बोला है, तो फिर बस वो थॉट प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाता है. सो आई बिलीव stay away from such people.
And I read a quote somewhere which said that what is meant for you will never stress you out.
Exactly.
So if it's a dream, a person or a chapter in your life, अगर वो आपको stress out कर रहा है तो it is not meant for you. और हम जब कल we were discussing about the podcast, so you also mentioned about obsession.
Yes. Don't get over obsessed.
Yes, because obsession, guys, this is a tip for all of you, is a negative emotion and the universe doesn't understand negative emotions. तो अगर आप किसी भी इंसान, चीज, even अपने goal से obsess हो रहे हो, तो it will become difficult for you to achieve it क्योंकि आप instead of giving your energy towards fulfilling it, आप एक expectation करके बैठ गए हो कि ये तो होना ही चाहिए.
Because they say ना, excess of anything is bad.
Absolutely.
So excessive overthinking, excessive thinking, excessive expectations,
it will
excess
damage.
को हटा ही दो.
मतलब you know, balance is everything in life. Your turn.
Okay. If everyone followed one rule tomorrow, what would make the world a better place to live in?
I think being kind. Because अगर सब ज़्यादा kind हो जाए दूसरे की तरफ तो एक तो we will have lesser people who are hurt, who are anxious, who are scared, एंड हम काइंड नहीं है, लाइक आई फील वी आर वेरी सिलेक्टिवली काइंड. हम उन लोगों के साथ काइंड होते हैं, लोग भी हमारे साथ तब ज्यादातर काइंड होते हैं जब उनको हमसे काम होता है.
And being genuine.
Yeah, being genuine से भी ज्यादा मम्मा, I feel that genuinity I feel is gone only. वो तो आ ही नहीं सकती. पर kindness मतलब कभी-कभी हम जैसे
considerate, you're concerned, you're
कितनी
genuinely
बार when you and I also
concerned.
go out either for shopping or just for lunch या फिर किसी काम से भी, like people are very rude for no reason.
Yeah.
So I just feel like if we all become kind, the world will be a better place for all of us to live in.
True.
Yeah. Okay, Mama, the next question, not in a negative or an arrogant space, I'm not coming, but what is the one thing you feel that people should never apologize for? मतलब ये मैं घमंड या arrogance वाले way से नहीं बोल रही, but आपको लगता है इसमें sorry बोलने की क्या बात थी?
I think for being yourself.
That is so profound and so
what
true.
you are, you are.
Yeah.
It's not ki if you're not as compatible or as similar to the other person, and there might be change of opinions या कोई arguments होती हैं, you can't say oh sorry मैं तो हुई ऐसी, मैं हमेशा ऐसे कर देती हूँ.
Why are you sorry for being yourself?
I know you are you. Like don't feel apologetic कि मैं ऐसी हूँ.
मतलब आपको अपने अंदर ऊपर काम करना है, अपने अंदर कोई चेंज लेके आना है, that is different. बट अगर आपको कोई आके बोल रहा है कि oh you're over sensitive, you don't need to feel bad for that or don't apologize. आपका दिल है, आपके emotions लग गया, बुरा तो लग गया.
Just to convince others, you know, अपनी self esteem, don't lower your self esteem.
Why do you have to change yourself to please other people?
If you are wrong, गलती है, that's different. But अपनी basic nature दूसरे को please करने के लिए, convince करने के लिए.
खुश नहीं होंगे, आप उनके जैसे बन जाओ, फिर कोई कमी निकाल देंगे आप में. They will never say oh अब सब सही है.
They are always critics around.
Yes, especially the society we
live in. Very true. Now my turn to ask you a question. Okay, what's something people don't appreciate enough?
I think life. Like we have a roof over our heads, we have food, and food we have the option to select what we want to eat, what we want to watch, where we want to go. I feel like we know, like hardly people focus on हमारे पास already इतना कुछ है. And a lot of times when I talk to people around, I realize हमारी problems इतनी insignificant और first world problems हैं. We are like very very blessed and we're all very ungrateful क्योंकि we have no problems, we are cooking up problems.
Exactly. So you should be grateful. You should be thankful for what you have.
Exactly. You know? And one more thing, I feel a lot of times ना people feel better about their lives and they realize कि किसी और की life ज़्यादा खराब है. I don't agree with that. जैसे वो कहते हैं कि ओ हमारे पास खाना तो है, लोगों के पास घर भी नहीं है. That is not your approach. आपको तब भी खुशी इसलिए मिल रही है क्योंकि कोई आपके नीचे है.
Right.
वो चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. But we have a lot to be grateful for, and I think people don't appreciate life. And by the time they realize how much they're blessed with,
either you will say कि उसके पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास ये है, या you will say उसके पास ये है और मेरे पास ये भी नहीं है.
दोनों ही गलत है. दोनों आप अपने में से खुश क्यों नहीं हो रहे? आपको अपने से खुशी मिलनी चाहिए.
Be satisfied, be contented.
That's true, contentment. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, Mama, the next thing which I think is a bit spicy is the question is that how do you respond to criticism? और ये बुराई वाला criticism, not necessarily मतलब open to in general judgment.
I think criticism, it depends who it is coming from.
I agree too, absolutely.
You know, एक criticism होता है जैसे अब we both are talking, sitting, and we are saying उसको देख वो कैसे बोल रही है, उसको देख उसने क्या पहना है.
That is called being judgmental.
Judgmental and हमें तो ऐसे बोल रही थी, उसके आगे ऐसे बन रही है. You know, ये एक अलग तरह का criticism है. And ये criticism बेटा ऐसा है कि कभी तो तुम्हें कोई कहेगा, जैसे we are sitting, we are talking with each other, we will say नहीं तू ना ऐसे बोलती थी वो अच्छा लगता था बेटा. I think you should take
this
that
is constructive
way.
criticism.
हाँ, this is I think guiding, helping,
feedback.
for your good.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And most importantly, अगर कोई तुम्हें taunt कर रहा है, criticize in the way of taunting,
making you feel bad about yourself.
हाँ, making you conscious. अच्छा ओहो तू पहले ना बड़ी अच्छी लगती थी, अचानक क्या हो गया तुझे? You know, and if it is in person or privately.
और मम्मा ये ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जो आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट, आपको लगेगा कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हैं पर आपकी इनसिक्योरिटी ट्रिगर करके चले जाते हैं.
या दे माइट गो द अदर वे अराउंड. भाई पहले तो बड़ा अजीब लगता था, पहले तो बड़ी अजीब अजीब ड्रेसअप होती थी, अब तो बड़ा अच्छा. मतलब अब इसको तुम कॉम्प्लीमेंट लोगे या क्रिटिसिज्म?
बट वो आपके सामने अच्छा बन गई कि मैं तो तारीफ करके क्या हूँ.
अगर कोई जेन्युइनली कंसर्न्ड है, तुम्हें करेक्ट कर रहा है, तो तुम पर्सनली बोलोगे ना कि ऐसे मत किया कर, ऐसे मत, ये मत पहना कर, यू नो वो वाला टॉपिक देख ले, ये कर ले. चार लोगों के आगे यू आर सिटिंग, यू आर टॉकिंग, यू आर हैविंग अ नाइस टाइम एंड द अदर पर्सन आउट ऑफ द ब्लू, समवन हु इज सो क्लोज टू यू, यू थिंक इज द बेस्ट फॉर यू, एंड से नहीं नहीं वो तो उस दिन ऐसे हुआ था, तू ऐसे क्यों कर रही है, तू ऐसे नहीं करते. मतलब यू नो तुम्हें कॉन्शियस कर
या
रहे हैं
आपको नीचा गिराएंगे टू मेक देमसेल्व्स
हाँ।
look or appear like the better person.
हाँ so
Yeah, your turn to ask me. My
Okay.
turn to answer.
what's one thing technology can never replace?
I feel human conversations, like it
Yes,
is so,
personal touch.
है ना? Yeah, it is so healing and so nice. I love conversations, and I feel आप नहीं बात कर सकते यार. It's a machine. It's AI. It's a software. You need to talk. And I feel आजकल लोगों को इसलिए भी ज़्यादा थोड़े mental health issues बढ़ गए हैं क्योंकि वो एक बात नहीं कर रहे. उनको वो रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है जो उनको सुनना. They want to listen, not what they need to listen.
Because किसी का birthday, anniversary,
Yes,
any
yes.
accomplishment, simple, एक message.
और या फिर हम talk to like
Why can't we
other
just
platforms?
call,
हाँ.
go personally, congratulate,
Yeah.
share
We
their
need it.
happiness?
We all need it. We're humans are meant to socialize. We're all
I
social
know.
creatures.
Personal
So,
touch is,
absolutely.
I think, almost nil.
Yeah, so I feel that is not replaceable at all. And with that, we're on to the last two questions. From like one Mama's going to ask me and one I'm going to ask you, Mama. The last question, which is that what is the one thing about adulthood that you feel you were not prepared for or not many people talk about it?
I think never endingness of it.
I absolutely agree. I agree.
ठीक है, life is beautiful,
हाँ.
but it is eventful also.
Yeah.
Like कुछ ना कुछ लगा ही रहता है. Spice, sugar. Like there are different phases,
Yeah.
different moods, different occasions. So it just goes on. जैसे जैसे you grow.
Yeah.
You know, when you were small, school, college, पढ़ाई इतना पढ़ना पड़ता है, एग्जाम देने पड़ते हैं.
तब
ये पढ़ाई, हाँ, हम कब बड़े होंगे. हम स्कूल वाले सोचते हैं हम कॉलेज जाएं, कॉलेज वाले यार ये जॉब्स करें, बिजनेस करें, आराम से उठेंगे, काम पे जाएंगे. You know, फिर जब you're in job, you have another tensions. Then getting married, your career, your children, then their careers. You know,
it's never ending. There is something to
never
be done
endingness
every day.
of it.
Yeah. Because आप मतलब अपना आज का टास्क खत्म करोगे तो कल की लिस्ट रेडी है.
Exactly.
Yeah, there will be something to be done.
The last question. Is it ever okay to give up on a dream?
I feel yes, because जैसे से हम बड़े होते हैं, I feel my dreams have also changed.
Yes, it
so,
does.
And if like giving up does not always mean failure. Sometimes आपको realize होता है in the long run as you grow as a person that you don't want those things anymore out of life.
Because awareness आती है, exposure आता है. जो अभी I said, when you grow, different phases. मतलब things are so different.
Expectations बदल जाती है, वो चीजें नहीं चाहिए होती जो पहले लगती थी.
You shouldn't be obsessed about one thing.
Agreed,
you need to go with the wave.
And giving up is not always failure, no.
No.
Sometimes you just don't. आपको नहीं चाहिए वो चीज.
वही what you said, being wiser.
Yeah.
You feel नहीं वो नहीं, this thing is better. I should think about this.
Yeah.
You know how you started your career.
Exactly. Like what I wanted 5 years ago, what my dream. It's not. I'm not. I don't want those things anymore.
And you don't regret your call.
Not at all. Not at all. So, I think we should all be open to change. It's not bad.
Yeah.
And with that, guys, we come to the end of today's video. Comment se batao how much did you guys enjoy today's video. We're always grateful for all the love. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.